Let's take a look at the following example. A survey was conducted with 200 individuals recording 2 characteristics, blood group with 4 categories, A, B, AB, and O, and rhesus factor with 2 categories, positive and negative. Pause the video here and take a moment to think about how the contingency table should be structured. We're dealing with one variable that has 4 categories and another with 2. That means our contingency table will initially have 4 rows and 2 columns. Of course, you could just as well design a table with 2 rows and 4 columns. It doesn't matter which variable goes in the rows and which in the columns, that's entirely up to you. For this example, we'll place the blood type in the rows AB, AB, and O. The columns will represent the rhesus factor, positive and negative. From the task description, we know that 200 people were surveyed. The total sample size is always shown in the bottom right corner of the contingency table, so here that's 200. With 4 blood types and 2 rhesus factor categories, we have 4 times 2 equal 8 cells to fill with absolute frequencies. Let's look at the results of the study. Each of the 8 possible combinations of blood type and rhesus factor was counted. Pause the video again and try to complete the contingency table yourself. Now let's enter the absolute frequencies. Blood type A and rhesus positive occurred 74 times and negative 12 times. B positive 18, B negative 4, AB positive 8, AB negative 2, O positive 70, O negative 12. We can now sum these values to get the row and column totals. A 74 plus 12 equals 86. B 18 plus 4 equals 22. AB 8 plus 2 equals 10. O 70 plus 12 equals 82. Try checking whether these row totals add up to the overall sample size of 200. Now for the column totals, positive 74 plus 18 plus 8 plus 70 equals 170. And negative 12 plus 4 plus 2 plus 12 equals 30. As you can see, the column totals also add up to 200. Let's now look at the total percentages. Pause the video and try calculating them yourself. Here, each absolute frequency is divided by the total sample size. For example, 74 divided by 200 equals 0.37 or 37%. This is done for every cell in the table. These overall percentages help answer questions like, what proportion of participants had blood type B and were rhesus positive? That would be 18 divided by 200 equals 9%. Next, let's look at row percentages. Pause the video and give it a go. Here, each cell value is divided by its row total. For example, 74 divided by 86 is about 0.86 or 86%. 12 divided by 86 is about 0.14 or 14%. You'll notice that the percentages in each row add up to 100%. Here's the completed table. Row percentages help answer different kinds of questions, such as, among all participants with blood type B, how many are rhesus negative? That would be 4 divided by 22 is about 18%. Finally, let's look at column percentages. Pause the video and try it yourself. Now we divide each cell by its column total. For example, 74 divided by 170 is about 0.435 or 43.5%. Again, the column percentages add up to 100%. These help answer questions like, among all participants with rhesus positive, how many have blood type O? That would be 70 divided by 170 is approximately 41.2%.